This video intends to be used as a learning tool. We believe this footage can be used as an educational and informational guide for viewers to analyze and evaluate situations, and to prevent any future incidents or mishaps. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind. Enjoy the video.
Tap it.
And colors. The idea was to make them in equal but limited quantities and let the customers decide which ones they preferred. The bestsellers we would quickly reorder, and the dogs we would put on sale. But we neglected to take into account the cost of having to design...
The life back in the 80s, so I called up this guy, let's call him Tony. I called up Tony, I'm like, hey Tony, it's Greg. He's like, hey, what's the coming to go? Yeah, do it for us. Guy in Philly who might be able to help. So we called up a friend of his in Philly. Let's call him Carmine. Also Italian. But Carmine didn't know anyone in Vegas either, but he did know a guy in Chicago. So I'm like, all right, so we get on the line and we call this guy in Chicago. Let's call him Frankie. So we got...
Fucking God. Sir. Oh no. A fucking car.
He could show me how the vines of his cucumbers were hardening as they twined. He wanted to show me now, and it couldn't be now. How could anyone be?
Whoa! Oh, holy shit!
And he went back outside.
Whoa! Shit. Oh no.
Sound like you was in the tunnel.
It's that bridge when cars splash it. Oh, wow. Oh, that guy just hydroplane. Oh, no. That car wiped out. Oh, my goodness.
Completely gone. Items from her pockets are neatly lined up at her feet, and just a few feet away, there is a piece of a leather apron.
Probably with that blonde girl. Oh my god.
They just hit. We need to like get around these people.
Yeah. Okay, good.
They're both to blame.